So hello everyone and welcome to the Software Defined Space Conference here in Tallinn in Estonia. I am here with two experts in the field of entrepreneurship. And perhaps it's best if you can introduce yourself real briefly and give us a little insight, if we can start with you, on the space ecosystem that exists nowadays in Estonia.
Excellent. Thank you for inviting. Vaido Mikheim, my name, from Startup Estonia, working as the Deep Tech project lead and Space Tech obviously being part of the Deep Tech. And the Space Tech ecosystem in Estonia up and coming for the last, I would already dare say, 10 years. Year zero, nobody thought that Estonia could be a space tech state. Let's fast forward 10 years. We have Space Tech Incubator. Andrus here will tell a little bit later about this. We have investors who are willing to invest into Space Tech. We have companies. We have the media interested about the Space Tech. So the ecosystem is up and coming and blooming.
Okay. Now, you run a business incubation center and business incubation initiatives trying to build, well, the next Estonian leading company among other fields in space. What makes Estonia an attractive country for space startups?
Hello, my name is Andrus. I'm a member of the board at Sparkup Tartu Science Park. We run several business incubation programs simultaneously, but our bread and butter is Space Tech incubation program. And what makes us special, I guess, is hassle-free environment for startups. It's very easy to open the company, open the bank account. It's very tight network of different actors, which is very useful, which increase significantly your survival rate if you start in Estonia. So, and among other things, there is growing investors network, and we are fully committed to cooperation with ESA as well.
Okay, that's good to know. So there is an ESA Business Incubation Center that was founded a couple of years ago?
2017, so we celebrating actually in a couple of years, couple of days, 7 years of ESA BIC. So far we have onboarded 31 space tech startups, and let's say 1/3 of them we can say are new space startups, which is really developing something which is useful upstream.
So let's talk a little bit about the market. The space market in Estonia, of course, is relatively small, Estonia being a small country. But what are the key opportunities you see maybe in the larger field for the space ecosystem here in Estonia?
Well, as you mentioned, the market in Estonia is nearly non-existent. But this is one of the advantages of Estonia, that our companies and all the ecosystem actors have the global mindset. And what comes with it, and with the smallness of Estonia, comes the agility and speed. And speed nowadays is money. And also the culture that the Skype and the e-residency and all those things created a perception of Estonia like a futuristic country, that we are the coolest place where to develop modern tech, and space tech definitely benefits from that. So if people are inspired by space, and most of them are, then there is this credibility that Estonian companies, Estonian kind of affiliation gets you there.
Okay, and that's an interesting point, and let's see how that reflects in startups. The specific Estonian edge, if you like, to space. What is that, and how are Estonian space startups attractive to the global space economy?
Yeah, that's a good question. I would start a couple of years ago. We had excellent student satellite program called S-Cube in 2013, and actually this made Estonia as a space country. And as an operator of Business Incubation Center for Space Tech startups, our 3 startups came from this program. And 2 of them still building something upstream. For example, Crystal Space are part of NASA's Artemis mission, hopefully already next year, going to the moon with their specific camera. And then we have SpaceIt, which is also will be next partner for operating satellite for ESA, and basically what they try to solve is how to satellite could be more efficiently communicate with ground stations.
Excellent. Well, thank you for providing those examples, and thank you for explaining a little bit what the Estonian space ecosystem is all about. And I'm looking forward to...
If I may add
Yes.
one final thing, a little bit provocative, I will throw the Andrus under the bus or under the rocket, if you will. You know, Estonia leads everything per capita, you know. We have the unicorns, you know, and so on. So we want to be number one country per capita by the coolest space startups as well.
Yeah, I would like to add also, Estonia is not a market, it's a country. So from day one you have to figure out where is your real customers are. So yeah, that's it, so easy.
Well, excellent. Well, thank you very much for that additional comment, and again, for helping putting Estonia on the global space map. So thank you very much for your time, and thank you very much for your panel.
Absolutely.